In the world of aviation, speed and efficiency have always been the driving forces behind innovation. And now, NASA is on the verge of a major breakthrough with its X-59, a supersonic aircraft designed to fly faster than the speed of sound without producing the loud sonic boom that has traditionally been a problem for supersonic flight. This revolutionary aircraft is set to redefine the future of aviation and could change how we think about air travel forever. Let's dive into the exciting details of NASA's X-59 and what it means for the future of flight. For decades, supersonic flight was a distant dream for commercial aviation. The Concorde, the world's most famous supersonic passenger plane, was retired in 2003 due to a combination of high operational costs and a major problem: sonic booms. These booming sounds, which occur when an aircraft exceeds the speed of sound, are disruptive and even damaging to the environment. That's where the X-59 comes in. NASA's ambitious goal with the X-59 is to make supersonic flight quiet and sustainable. The X-59 QueSST, short for Quiet Supersonic Technology, is a prototype aircraft designed by NASA's Langley Research Center and built by Lockheed Martin. Its design is based on cutting-edge technologies that will allow it to achieve supersonic speeds while significantly reducing the noise caused by the sonic boom. The X-59 will be capable of flying at speeds exceeding Mach 1.4, which is over 1,000 miles per hour, but with a minimal acoustic impact on the ground below. The X-59's design is unlike any aircraft that has come before it. One of the key features of the X-59 is its long, slender fuselage with a sharp nose that helps reduce air pressure buildup. This allows the plane to fly at supersonic speeds without creating the intense shock waves that produce sonic booms. In addition, the aircraft features advanced engine technology designed to minimize noise and vibrations. The X-59's quiet supersonic flight represents a revolutionary shift in how we approach speed in aviation. The secret behind the X-59's ability to achieve supersonic flight without the disruptive sonic boom lies in its innovative aerodynamic design. The aircraft's long pointed nose allows it to cut through the air more efficiently, reducing the formation of shock waves that create the sonic boom. Additionally, the X-59's unique engine configuration and flight profile work together to minimize the intensity of shock waves, making it possible to fly faster than sound without the loud noise that traditionally accompanies such speeds. One of the biggest obstacles to commercial supersonic flight is the sonic boom. When an aircraft exceeds the speed of sound, it generates a shock wave that travels to the ground as a loud boom, a disruptive sound that can even cause structural damage to buildings. This phenomenon has prevented supersonic aircraft from operating over land for decades. The X-59 is designed to reduce the sonic boom to a soft thump, which is far less disturbing and can be safely tolerated by those on the ground. NASA is currently in the process of testing the X-59 to validate its quiet supersonic technology. The aircraft is being flown over various communities in the US to gather data on the impact of the aircraft's noise levels. This real-world testing is crucial for understanding how the X-59 will perform during commercial operations. In addition to measuring noise levels, NASA is also collecting feedback from residents living below the flight paths to see how the quieter sonic boom affects people on the ground. If the testing proves successful, the X-59 could open up a new era for commercial air travel. Supersonic flight could dramatically reduce flight times, making long-haul journeys like New York to Tokyo possible in just 6 hours instead of the usual 12. Addition to speed, the X-59's ability to minimize noise will allow commercial airlines to fly supersonic routes over populated areas without disturbing communities. This could revolutionize the aviation industry, offering faster, more efficient travel without the usual noise pollution. While the X-59 focuses on reducing noise pollution, it also takes into account environmental sustainability. Unlike earlier supersonic jets, which consumed massive amounts of fuel and emitted large amounts of carbon, the X-59 is designed to be more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly. It uses next-generation materials and aerodynamic techniques to reduce drag, which helps improve fuel efficiency. Additionally, NASA's goal is to ensure that the X-59 has a minimal carbon footprint, aligning with global efforts to reduce the aviation industry's environmental impact. NASA has always been at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of aviation and aerospace technologies. The X-59 is just one example of the agency's commitment to advancing aviation while addressing real-world challenges. By developing the quiet supersonic technology, NASA is helping pave the way for a new generation of supersonic aircraft that will improve both commercial air travel and military capabilities. This innovation is a direct result of NASA's mission to drive technological progress and revolutionize how we think about air transportation. The X-59 could change the way we travel across the globe. Faster flights will allow passengers to reach their destinations more quickly, whether for business or leisure. Imagine being able to fly from New York to London in just 3 hours, or from Los Angeles to Sydney in under 5 hours. The impact on global connectivity would be huge, making international travel more accessible and opening up new possibilities for both individual travelers and global commerce. While the X-59 is primarily a civilian aircraft, its technologies have significant implications for military aviation as well. Supersonic flight without the sonic boom could allow for covert operations where speed is crucial, without the risk of detection by enemy radar or causing disruptions with sonic booms. The quiet supersonic capabilities of the X-59 could provide the military with a valuable tool for rapid deployment and reconnaissance, allowing aircraft to travel faster while maintaining operational stealth. The X-59 represents the future of supersonic flight, and it's likely that other companies and nations will follow NASA's lead. As technology progresses, we may see a new generation of commercial supersonic jets hitting the market. These aircraft will likely be quieter, more efficient, and able to fly across the globe faster than ever before. This could lead to a new era of high-speed air travel, where the benefits of supersonic flight are accessible to the public on a much larger scale. In addition to making supersonic flight quieter, the X-59 is also focused on environmental sustainability. With its fuel-efficient design and the use of green technologies, the aircraft aims to reduce the carbon footprint of high-speed aviation. NASA is committed to ensuring that the future of air travel isn't just fast but also eco-friendly, marking a significant step towards sustainable aviation for generations to come. The NASA X-59 is set to revolutionize aviation with its ability to fly at supersonic speeds without the disruptive sonic boom. As we look to the future, this aircraft could change the way we think about air travel forever, offering faster, quieter, and more efficient flights. What do you think about the future of supersonic flight? Could we see commercial supersonic travel become a reality in the next decade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge aviation technology. See you next time.